If you want to convert your Facebook profile into professional page, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we do in just few simple steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. Facebook Professional Mode is a feature that allows creators and professionals to separate their personal and professional online presence. It provides tools for followers, insights, and content monetization while maintaining privacy and control over personal interactions. Users can access advanced analytics and networking features without mixing personal and professional content. First of all, open up your Facebook application and tap here on this profile icon. Then tap on these three lines. Here you can see the option Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on it. Press Turn on. Press Next. Next. Choose according to your requirement and press on Next. Press Confirm. Next. Next. Skip. And our professional mode has been activated. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.